This video is about installing or replacing a motor on a powered C-Jack. The process is essentially the same. And you can see here that we have an assembled powered C-Jack and the motor is out of it. So we're going to show you how to install the 231000 motor assembly using the motor, which has the gearbox attached, the D to square coupler that connects the threaded rod to the gearbox, and then two small carriage bolts. So this is probably going to be installed on your camper, so you're going to be looking at it from this angle as you're underneath it. And it would help to have another person at one point to potentially rotate the manual override on the jack to line the coupler up. Now, we do not want to use any powered impact drills or cordless drills at all when you're using this product. That could damage the gearbox if you're using that to override. Please, if you don't have 12 volt or the motor has malfunctioned for some reason, please use a manual handle to operate the jack. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the coupler and we're going to slip it over the D, and that slips up on there just like that. And then we're going to take the motor, slip it into the channel, and we're going to try to get it to marry up to the square there. So in this case, it's not moving, so we're going to rotate it. And this is where it comes in handy to have another person with you, so you can do this while you're lying underneath it, and they can just slowly rotate it around. And it's a little bit more difficult to do this on the bench than it is. There it goes, right there. So that's slipped in. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take the motor, and you're going to be able to see the light coming through the square holes on top of the channel to kind of get that in the right spot. So if you have an underbelly, you're going to push up on the underbelly just a little bit enough to get this to slip through the square hole. And again, when this thing's not installed on camper, it's a little bit more difficult to do. And then you're going to slide it through and just rotate it slightly around, kind of like we did on the coupler, until it nests in that D that's already stamped in the channel. This is a number 10 nut. We're going to take that, take a socket and tighten it down, and repeat the process on the opposite bolt and nut as well. Now you're ready to wire it. You should have the wiring already there for the on the camper. You're going to want to focus on the positive, the hot wire, when the switch is in the extended position. Whichever wire is hot, positive, coming to the wires coming in, that's what you want to connect the red wire to, which is going to give you the positive when it's in the down position, going in the extended position. And then obviously just attach the opposite wire. Now the switch reverses, so there's nothing else to do other than hooking up those two wires. So hopefully that's pretty self-explanatory. If you have any questions, feel free to go to our website. We have installation instructions for the powered C-Jack on our manuals and downloads page.